Have you ever wondered how a simple story can turn into a magical adventure at home? Stick around to find out how you can transform reading time into a fun-filled experience. Hey there, it's your pal Jessica, here to spice up your reading routine with a sizzling tale that will have your little ones roaring with laughter. Dragons Love Tacos by the one and only Adam Rubin. Get ready to talk about some fiery, fun, and tasty adventures that will leave your kids hungry for more, plus some activities that will bring the story to life. But before we dive into a world where dragons and tacos collide, I want to make sure that I mention that you can grab my Storytime Fun Pack for free in the description below. It's a great resource for parents who want to do fun book-related activities with their kids. Now let's take a quick peek into the zesty world of Dragons Love Tacos. In this hilarious tale, we'll learn all about the one thing that dragons love more than anything else: tacos. From mild to spicy, these dragons are ready to devour them all. But watch out for the hot sauce. It's a tongue-tingling adventure that will have your little taco enthusiasts laughing and craving tacos of their very own. So let's kick off our taco-fueled fiesta with a snack that's sure to satisfy even the fiercest of appetites: tacos. Whether you prefer them mild or spicy, crunchy or soft, tacos are the perfect fuel for any dragon-sized appetite. Whip up a batch of tacos with your little ones and watch as they gobble them up faster than a swooping dragon. It's a perfect snack to pair it with this book. Now let's get crafty and whip up some taco-themed masterpieces with a taco craft. Grab some construction paper in yellow, red, green, and brown, and let your little ones' imaginations run wild as they create their very own paper tacos. Cut out a yellow semicircle for the shell and various other shapes for the ingredients like tomatoes, lettuce, and meat. With a little glue and a lot of creativity, they'll have their very own awesome paper tacos to display proudly. Now, are you feeling theatrical? If so, let's bring the dragons to life with the dragon puppets. Transform paper bags or socks into mighty dragon puppets with felt construction paper features like eyes, scales, and fire. Let your little ones' creativity soar as they decorate their dragons and put on a fiery puppet show that will have everyone laughing and cheering for more. And now, let's create the ultimate dragon's lair with our Build a Dragon's Lair activity. Help your little ones build a cozy dragon's lair using blankets, pillows, and cardboard boxes. Whether they use it for reading a book, playing with their dragon puppets, or enjoying tacos, it's a magical space where imagination knows no bounds. Last but not least, let's embark on a taco-filled scavenger hunt. Hide toy tacos, dragon figures, and hot sauce bottles around your home, and use taco-themed clues to guide your little ones on their flavorful quest. It's a spicy adventure that will have them laughing and searching high and low for their taco treasures. Here are a few examples of some taco-themed clues. In a place where ingredients dance and mingle, find where toy tacos make mouths tingle. With this clue, you could hide your item in the kitchen or a dining area. Here's another example. In a land where fire breathers roam and play, find where toy dragons may decide to stay. With this clue, you could hide a toy dragon in the living room or playroom, somewhere near a toy chest. Scavenger hunts are a great way to keep kids engaged and develop their problem-solving skills. Oh, and don't forget, if you love the idea of doing fun book-related activities with your kids, be sure to grab my Storytime Fun Pack for free in the description below. With these taco-tastic activities and crafts, reading Dragons Love Tacos becomes an unforgettable journey into a world where dragons and tacos reign supreme. Thanks for joining me on this taco-fueled adventure. Until next time, keep the tacos hot and the dragons happy.